Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, find your Vivomove 3S, tap on it, and then tap on the More Options icon, tap on Remove Device, and then tap on Remove. If you see this pop-up about Settings, tap on Settings. It will redirect you to this page, but we can go back to main page of Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and then tap on Info icon next to our Vivomove 3S, then tap on Forget Device and Forget Device. Okay, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our iPhone, and that's how you unpair this device from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.